السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. طلابنا الأعزاء، محاضرتنا هذا اليوم خاصة بحل تمارين الفصل الخامس لمدارس أو الصفوف المتميزين أو صفوف ثنائية اللغة. حل التمارين الخاصة بموضوع التطابق والتشابه. Solve the question and the exercise of congruence and similarity. In question number 1, he said to distinguish the congruence shapes. As we see in this shape, which is looked at rhombus, are these shapes are congruent or not? First thing, the diagonal of rhombus divided it to 4 exact pieces, or as we see that these 4 shapes are same and similar because they have the same shape and size. So these shapes are congruent. Why? Because they have the same shape and size. Understood? Question number 2, we have a many circle. Are these circles are congruent or not? And why? These circles are not congruent. Why? Because the smaller one, which is the black circle, is smaller than the white circle, and those are smaller than the blue circle. So they are not congruent because they have different size. Not congruent because the circles have or has different size. Why? Because these circles have different size. In question number 4, he said find the measurement and the length size, the measurement of angles and length size of for these 2 shapes which are congruent shape. Okay? And we know previously any 2 congruent shape they have the same measurement for corresponding angles and the same length size for corresponding size. يعني شنو؟ أي شكلين متطابقين يا طلاب، أي شكلين متطابقين يكون لهم نفس قياس الزوايا في الزوايا المتناظرة ونفس قياس أطوال الأضلاع إذا كانت الأضلاع متناظرة. يعني إنه ممكن نجد قياس الزاوية المجهولة بمعرفة قياس نظيرتها فإنها تساويها بالقياس. Okay? So this angle are unknown angle, but its corresponding angles are known, which is equal 100 degree. So this angle equal 100 degree. Okay? And this angle also unknown angle, but its corresponding angles equal 60 degree. So this angle equal 60 degree measure. Also for the sides, the unknown sides equal the known sides who is corresponding with it. So this side is unknown side, but its corresponding sides equal 7 centimeters. So this side equal 7 centimeters. Now we will solve the exercise. Question number 7, we have many shapes or many pictures on the wall. Are these shapes or pictures congruent or not? And we know from the subject of congruence, any congruence shape must have the same shape and the same size. But here we have a different shape and different size, because some of them are square and some of them are rectangular, and also they have different size. So these shapes are not congruence. Why? Because they have different shape. Because they have different shape. In question number 10, he said to find the measurement and angles and the length sides of unknown sides for these two congruence shapes. The solution of this question is exactly like this one. Also, you can find the measurement of angles by the angles of corresponding angles, and we can find the length sides by its corresponding sides. So this angle is unknown, but its corresponding angles equal 135. So this angle equal 135. And this side's unknown sides, and this side equal 6, and it's corresponding with this side. So this side equal 6 centimeter, and so for this side equal 3, and this corresponding is unknown. So the unknown side equal 3 centimeter, because it's corresponding with this one. All of this y, since the two shapes are congruence. Why? Because if they are congruence, then they have the same length sides for corresponding sides and the same measurement of angles for corresponding angles. Now we're going to solve the problems. The question of solve the problems. Question number 12. Distinguish the following congruence shape. In this picture we have an umbrellas, and they all have the same size and the same shape. So is these umbrellas congruence or not? They are, or the shapes in picture are congruence. Why? Because they have the same shape and size. In question number 17, solve the problems. We have a building with a height 18 meters. And the shadow of the earth is 12 meters. And nearby the building we have a tree with unknown height, and its shadow of the earth is 3 meters. And the two shapes of the building are similar with the tree. Now, what is the height of a tree? The solution will be like this. Since the building similar to the tree, so we will use the property of proportional sides. Why? Because any two similar sides, they must have proportional corresponding sides. So this side will be corresponding with this side and will be proportional, and this side will be corresponding with this one and they will be proportional. أشنو يعني؟ يعني بما أن الشكلين أو البناية والشجرة هما متشابهان، فإنه حسب خاصية أو شرط تشابه الأشكال يجب أن يكون الأضلاع المتناظرة متناسبة، يعني هذا الضلع مع هذا الضلع يتناسب مع طول هذا الضلع مع هذا الضلع، فإن الحل يأتي كما يأتي أو يكون كما يأتي. فإن المجهول، الضلع المجهول نفرضه x، أو طول الشجرة نفرضه x over 18 equal 3 over 12. زين. Now we have to remove or delete the coefficient of the unknown or the variable x، يعني راح نحذف معاه المجهول اللي هو مقسم على 18، أي نضرب الطرفين multiply both sides by 18 أو طرفين في وسط نفس الشيء. then x equal 3 by 18 over 12 over 6 we have a 3 over 6 we have 2, so 3 by 3 9 over 2 which is equal 4.5 meter is the height of a tree.